And whenever they talk about how to make money with cryptocurrency, a lot of people are so skeptical about it. And I don't know why they are so afraid. Yes, it could be true that making money with cryptocurrency, there could be so much risk, yes, and complexity. But I want to let you know that it depends on the kind of strategies that you choose to make money with cryptocurrency. There are other ways that you could make money with cryptocurrency without any risk. And I'm still going to let you know ways that a lot of people fall into risk, the mistake that they made and found themselves in risk. So now let's see how you could make money with cryptocurrency. But before you think of making money with cryptocurrency, there is something that is very crucial that you need to understand. Now let's see what that thing is. You need to educate yourself on cryptocurrency. You cannot just move into any business without having an in-depth knowledge of that business. So that is why it is necessary that before you move into making money with cryptocurrency, you need to understand cryptocurrency well. Okay. Now let's see the area that you need to educate yourself. You need to know much about blockchain technology. What is all about blockchain, how blockchain technology works. And the second thing that you need to educate yourself on cryptocurrency is for you to know the different types of cryptocurrency, because there are a lot of cryptocurrency. So you need to study and know which one will work for you. Like the Bitcoin and the rest of it, that is an example of the kind of cryptocurrency that is really legit and really selling. Now the third area that you need to educate yourself is you need to know the different types of crypto wallets. There are lots of crypto wallets. For instance, if you want to store your cryptocurrency, there are recommended crypto wallets that you can use for long-term storage of your cryptocurrency. So that is why it is necessary for you to educate yourself on different types of crypto wallets. Now let's move into the different ways you could make money with cryptocurrency without involving yourself in any shit of risk. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first visit to my channel, I am Hope Godwin. And on this channel, we talk about how to make money, self-improvement, and how to create a successful monetized YouTube channel. In case you will not want to miss any of this, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive any updates that will come up on this channel, especially on how to make money. Now come with me. Let's dive in to see how you could make money with cryptocurrency. After you have educated yourself on cryptocurrency, now the second thing is for you to move into making money with cryptocurrency in diverse ways. Now the first one is for you to choose a strategy to make money. So we have different strategies in which you could make money with cryptocurrency. You can decide to choose like 3-4 strategies to make money with, but you need to ensure that you understand those strategies very well. You need to ensure you go for the ones that will work for you. Now let's see the first strategy that you could make money with cryptocurrency. Buying and holding. What is it all about? Buying and holding cryptocurrency means you buying your cryptocurrency and holding them, hoping for increase in price of cryptocurrency. Once the price increases, you now sell it out. When you are buying your cryptocurrency and holding your cryptocurrency, remember to consider this. Because a lot of people, because of high expectation that the cryptocurrency will really have, as in will really increase in price, and because of that, they will hope to keep their cryptocurrency for a very long time. Even when they realize that if this happened to sell their cryptocurrency at that moment, they will still realize profit. But they will still be having the high expectations, and as such, they will want to keep their cryptocurrency long. So think about this. When you see your cryptocurrency, when you see that there is increase on cryptocurrency, you need to start selling it. Don't keep it for so long. Yes, I know we cannot predict this market. This market, this crypto, you can't predict it. No matter how you understand it, no matter how confident you are trading or buying cryptocurrency, you can't predict the market in the next few hours, in the next weeks. You can't predict it. You need to start selling it out once the price kicks up. Because it happens to my brother. My brother was buying cryptocurrency and holding it, and he was also mining this cryptocurrency. So at the point he had financial needs. So he concluded to either sell the cryptocurrency. But before he concluded, he called me. He told me that he is confused either to sell the cryptocurrency in order to meet up with the needs or not to sell it because he was expecting that the price would be so high. So I gave him an advice, which I will want you to also consider this advice as well. Now, consider it this way. What as you are thinking that the price will be so much high? What if the price happens not to be high as you are expecting? And as at the time that you wanted to sell this cryptocurrency, the price was as in meaningful, that you will still have profit. So I now said, okay, consider that if you sell it now, you still have your profit. So what you need to do, sell some amount of your crypto and hold some. So I thank God he had heard to my advice and he sold some of the crypto and hold some. So by the time he expected that the price would increase, it happens that the price did not increase to what he expected. So he now regretted that he would have sold more than what he sold. So that is exactly what happened. So that's why I said you can't predict the market. So the market is always fluctuating. So you need to monitor when the price kicks up for you to start selling your cryptocurrency in order not to regret. And before you could move into buying and holding, you need to really know how this particular one works, because it is not all the time that you could be buying your cryptocurrency, and the right time for you to be buying your cryptocurrency will be unfurled in the second stage of making money with cryptocurrency. So do not want to miss it. Now let's dive into the second stage of making money with cryptocurrency. The second one is trading cryptocurrency. What is it all about? Trading cryptocurrency is you actively or consistently buying and selling your cryptocurrency. Before we move into the trading part of it, and you know, each of these strategy has its own risks. And if you pay attention to what I'm going to list out here and observe them, there is no way you're going to get yourself involved in any form of risk, and you're going to enjoy your journey making money with cryptocurrency. Guess what? Now let's move in. Then, before you think of trading cryptocurrency, you need to consider two things. The first one is for you to choose your exchange, the exchange that will work for you. We have different kinds of exchange, like the Bybit, like Binance, we have Coinbase, we have KuCoin that you could choose. Then the second thing that you need to do is for you to learn the technical analysis in order to predict the market trends. Yes, because the market, when it comes to cryptocurrency, it is always fluctuating. Look at my screen, the way that is how the market is. So you need to learn this technical analysis. As it is going up, that is when the market rises. So you see the red figure, that is when people sell their cryptocurrencies and they run at loss. So if you sell your cryptocurrency when the line comes down, that is when you could encounter loss. But if you study this analysis and know exactly when you can automate your selling, that is when you could stay without losing your cryptocurrency, without falling into any form of risk. The right time for you to buy your cryptocurrency is when the price comes down, and the best time for you to sell it is when it goes up. So for you that is buying and holding your cryptocurrency, you need to track this market. Now this takes me on to the third strategies of making money with cryptocurrency, which is staking your cryptocurrency. What is it all about? Staking means you locking some amount of your cryptocurrency to secure it and help verify by transaction. But the risk in this particular one is that by the time you may decide to lock up your cryptocurrency, you can decide to lock it up for like a period of a year or some months, and at that moment there might be increase on price of cryptocurrency, and you know once you lock up the cryptocurrency you cannot access it until the duration expires. So if this cryptocurrency at the moment that you lock it up for that duration there will be increase on price. You cannot sell it. That is it. So before you think of staking, or before you think of applying any of these strategies to make money with cryptocurrency, you need to think wisely. Now, and by the time you may come to access this your cryptocurrency, the price might not be as high as the time that you could not access your cryptocurrency. So that is why you need to think. So please, before you stake your cryptocurrency, ensure you choose legit platforms, not platforms that you will see today and tomorrow you will not see again. You need to ensure to follow up as well, because it happens to me. I staked my cryptocurrency, and at a point I couldn't access that platform again, and that is how I stood to lose my cryptocurrency. So before you stake, you need to think twice, knowing the platforms that you are staking your cryptocurrency with and following up that platform, and thinking about if the price will increase during the period that you are going to lock up your cryptocurrency. Now, the fourth way to make money with cryptocurrency is by yield farming and liquidity mining. What is it all about? Yield farming and liquidity mining is you providing liquidity to decentralized finance platforms in exchange for reward or interest. It could be in form of additional token. So for you to access this, we need to partake in pools and lending platforms. So that is how you could partake in yield farming and liquidity mining. So once you meet up with the criteria, you will be able to access the cryptocurrency. You now sell it. And now the fifth way you could make money with cryptocurrency is by mining cryptocurrency. Mining cryptocurrency. What is it all about? Crypto mining is a process of validating transactions and adding them up to blockchain by solving complex mathematical problems. Crypto mining is one of the simplest way of accessing cryptocurrency, or one of the simplest way of making money with cryptocurrency. There are a lot of platforms that are giving access to mining cryptocurrencies, like Pi Network that was just launched some weeks ago. That is an example of platforms that gives access to mining cryptocurrency. Why am I saying that this is one of the simplest way of making money with cryptocurrency? Because this mining does not involve any form of risk. Yes, and the second thing is that it will not take much of your time or much of your energy in order for you to gather the coins. In order for you to gather your coins. Take for instance a mining that you just maybe log onto in your app for just once a day to claim the coins after 24 hours. Take for instance like the Pi Network that was just launched. A lot of people really benefit from this mining Pi. Just consider someone having this amount of Pi or amount of cryptocurrency, and another person having this amount. And like my own, I discovered it late, and this is what I could mine, and currently I'm still mining it. So a lot of people really benefit from it. If you look at this particular one, and if you want to calculate it in your own local currency, you would realize something huge. Yes, because as at the time that this Pi was launched, the price increased to $3. So if you multiply this by $3, you realize not less than $12,000. And if you want to convert it into your own local currency, like in Nigeria, I realized nothing less than 19 million. So take a look at it. If someone that has not counted million before, will this kind of amounts not change your life? So mining cryptocurrency is one of the simplest way you could get access to cryptocurrency without involving yourself in any shit of risk. And it pains me that whenever things like this come up, a lot of people will still be skeptical about it. I don't really know what exactly are you afraid of losing, because when this Pi came up, as at the time I realized this Pi, I introduced so many people to it. A lot of people were so skeptical about it. But the fear of taking risks has already, what should I say, has already captured their mind in such a way that even in a thing like there is no risk, they will still be considering it as risky. Yes, I know there are other ways that you could fall into risk, but for mining, there is nothing like risk. It's just for you to access the platforms that gives access to mining cryptocurrency, and at the end you will access your cryptocurrency. There are a lot of platforms, as you can see. There are a lot of platforms currently that are giving access to mining cryptocurrency, so you can go ahead to partake in those platforms. Now this takes me to the sixth strategy you could make money with cryptocurrency: a job. This is the most simplest way of making money with cryptocurrency, where free tokens are distributed to participants. There's no risk attached to that particular one. So it's just for you to engage yourself in the airdrop, and at the end, your free token will be distributed to you if you meet some of the criteria. You now convert it into USD and you sell it. If you want to sell it, then you convert it into your own local bank account. Or better still, for those that are afraid of trading cryptocurrency, so that you will not put in your money and you lose, you can start trading with the free tokens that will be given to you. Even if you are to trade cryptocurrency, you will still not stand a chance to lose. If you observe the procedure I have listed here, crypto trading is a very lucrative business. Take for instance, if you buy your crypto at the rate of $1, then you happen to sell that same crypto at the rate of $3 or $2. Is it not profiting enough? It is very profiting. So I believe this will really help you. So you need to change that mindset of, oh, you don't want to partake it so that you will not put your money and lose it. Well, if you consider that you will lose the money, you will lose the money. But if you think twice, if you think wisely, and you consider that you will not lose your money, you will not lose your money. That will make you to be very careful. Let me tell you why some people fall at risk. Number one, they failed to sell their cryptocurrency as at the time that the price of cryptocurrency increased. They missed the opportunity to sell it. Either they were still expecting the price to increase more than that. So that is one thing. Then the second way they could fall at risk is when you did not verify the platforms that they are trading cryptocurrency with. You can put in your money, because there are so many scams out there. If you put in your money in a platform that is not legit, they may swallow your money and you will come back to complain that cryptocurrency is risky, making money with cryptocurrency. It is not. It is only for you to verify the platform that you are trading your cryptocurrency with. The platform that you are putting in your money in. Crypto trading is very simple. You can do it as long as you can trade even physical goods, you can trade cryptocurrency. As long as you can trade any other market, you can trade cryptocurrency. It's not as tough as so many people may be feeling or may be thinking of. So, guess what? I guess this helps. Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, comment, and share so that it will get to other destinations. Then lastly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Turning on your notification bell is of more benefit, because you're going to be the first who will receive any update that will come up on this channel. Thanks for doing that, and thanks for your time once again. See you in my next video, and bye for now.